Deep space is incredibly vast and almost entirely quiet. Most worlds out here are dusty, rocky, and frozen, empty of anything moving or growing. At Special5 Online Tuitions, we're looking at what makes our planet so different from its neighbors and why life began here in the first place. As we travel through the stars, we eventually find the third planet from the Sun. It stands out from all the dull rocks around it, glowing with a bright, beautiful blue light. Out of all the empty space in our solar system, how did this specific world end up covered in buzzing plants, animals, and people? This vibrancy happens because of a very specific set of conditions that we can see if we look closely at how the planet is built. Our solar system has the Sun at the center. Counting outward, 1, 2, 3, we find Earth's position. This is vital. Planets too close burn from extreme heat. Planets too far freeze into solid ice. Earth sits in a perfect, warm middle ground. Because of this balance, water exists as a flowing liquid that can be used by living things, rather than boiling away or freezing solid. To see how much water that is, look at this globe. If we divide its surface into 4 equal slices, 3 are completely covered in water. That's why astronauts see a blue planet. Finding this perfect distance from the Sun unlocked the liquid oceans that allow life to thrive. While oceans are a great start, liquid water on its own isn't enough to support tall trees, animals, and people. We also need fresh water to drink and to grow the different types of food we eat. We must also look at the last part of our globe, the single slice not covered by the sea. This solid land gives us a steady floor to build homes on and a place to run around. There is also a third invisible gift that wraps completely around the land and the oceans. This atmosphere is a thick blanket of gases surrounding our world. It has 2 main jobs, holding in the breathable air and acting as a protective shield against the harsh environment of space. The water, the land, and the atmosphere work together every day to make survival on this planet possible. When we combine that perfect distance from the Sun with the gifts of water, land, and air, we see why Earth is so vibrant. These different elements rely on one another, locking together to create a world that stays in balance. Earth provides a perfectly tuned, warm cradle that holds everyone and everything we know. Next time you run outside and feel the wind on your face, take a moment to appreciate how all these pieces work together. Thank you for joining Special5 Online Tuitions. Keep looking up, stay curious, and keep learning about your universe.